What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Mostly I do detailing tutorials, do it yourself. Sometimes I will do modification videos. Here lately I've been working on the Mk4 GTi I picked up, and we're going to be doing more upgrades today. I'm going to replace the shift boot and knob assembly that I got on Amazon. I picked the new OEM replacement knob and shift boot assembly. I picked it up on Amazon for $9.99. I will link it below in the description, and it's really easy. You're only going to need one thing, well, minus having a new shift boot and knob. You're going to need one tool basically, and that is to remove any pliers will work, or a crescent wrench in this situation. But when you pull this assembly up, there's like a little metal tab that you have to basically twist off and break off, and everything comes off. So let's go ahead and pull this one off. It's really simple. As you guys see there at the bottom, this is a shorter or narrower, if that makes any sense. It up here is a lot wider than this here. So in order to remove it, you just push and break everything. You just push the shift boot this way and it will release. Pull this all the way up, and it should have a metal clip. In this case it actually has a worm clamp that I can just screw off. So let's do that, and I'll show you how to install the new one. Once you have removed, in my case, the worm clamp, you go ahead and pull straight up with some force and it comes off. I've already went ahead and loosened it. As you guys see there, that white piece clips around like a little joint on the metal. You lift straight up and it reveals exactly what it's sitting on. And this piece, I guess, broke off, so I will pull that off. Gonna pull the new assembly out of the bag and slide it right on. I don't know what kind of shifter this even is. It doesn't look factory. Then again, it could be, and the faceplate just came off. I don't know. Let's junk this crap. You know, right over there where everything else is junk. Once your shift boot is released or taken out, that is going to be what the assembly looks like. And you guys can see around the shifting console area, it's caked up with a lot of dirt. So I'm going to grab my trusty interior detailer from Adam's Polishes and one of their utility towels, which is sort of like an all-purpose towel for the interior. Do not use this on your paint. Cannot tell you how many people have said, "Oh bro, I use it on my paint and it scratches." Well, yeah, this is meant for interior only. I can't explain that or express that enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this onto the dispersing mode. And if I don't make you guys dizzy, go ahead and shake this up a little bit. And just lightly soak the area. And I'm going to give this towel a quick spritz so that it has some material to grab. And look at that. Ugh. Look at that, man. I don't think this thing has ever been, or no, I'm not going to say ever been, because I'm sure it has been cleaned at one point, but it definitely hasn't been cleaned in a long time. Ugh. Alright, once you have cleaned off the area, and unfortunately this entire thing doesn't seem to be even snapped into place, so I'll probably get a new one anyways, because the plastic is starting to peel, and it's just, you know, needs to be taken care of a little bit. So 5-speed shift knob faceplate that I'm probably going to end up polishing because it's got some light scratching going on and haziness. But like I said at the beginning of the video, the top of the shifter hole is a little wider than the bottom, so I'm gonna flip this inside out and show you guys that pin I was talking about. Alright, so this is the brass, it's almost like a cotter pin, but there's a piece on here right there. You guys see that little piece that's bulging out? You just gotta crush it, just pinch it. So let's see here, make sure I'm putting this on the right way. Am I putting it on the right way? Yeah. Alright, so slide it down like so, and You really don't have to worry about getting the knob straight because it doesn't move. So just slide it all the way down. Make sure your shifter boot is up. Slide it all the way down, which it is. If you can push that all the way down, then it's all the way down. So I'm gonna grab my pliers here. All right, I got my pliers. Going to grab that little washer on the side or the trim ring, whoops, and basically just pinch this to where it compresses the plastic and grabs that metal rod it's sitting on. So once you have it pinched, you can just roll over your shift boot on top. Make sure that it's all nice and dainty. Remember that let's see, we did this originally, we pushed this, so you want to make sure that it goes in exactly how it's supposed to. And there you go. Everything's snapped into place. And it's got the chrome trim ring around it, which doesn't look bad in the interior. Once I get the factory silver trim around the radio and the cup holders, and probably if they even make a silver trim for that, I don't know. Calm down, you diesel. Once I get a new cluster here, there's little chrome trim rings that you can put around each gauge. It's basically a beauty trim ring kit, and it doesn't look bad. So look at that. Now let's get on to detailing.
It's caught in the crossfire.